What's up you guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video we're going to talk about the 3 most important programming languages that you should learn in 2021, and we're going to discuss some of the best resources that you can find online for these languages. So let's get started. Alright, so if you've been following me for a while and if you've been watching some of my videos, you know that I'm a big believer in JavaScript and TypeScript. So I think JavaScript or /TypeScript is one of the best languages that you can learn in 2021 because it's so powerful and so versatile that it's being used everywhere, right? You can build web applications with JavaScript using React. You can build mobile applications with JavaScript using something like React Native. You can also build a lot of desktop applications for your Mac and Windows using Electron.js. You can build backends using Node.js. And there's just plenty of things that you can build with JavaScript. Today, if there's a software that you can build, I'm pretty sure that you can build it with JavaScript. So I think it's one of the best programming languages to learn at this point, and going forward, it's going to become bigger and bigger. So definitely you can't go wrong with learning JavaScript, and some of the best courses and material that I think you can find on the internet are MD and web docs. So you can go to Mozilla Developer Network and read their JavaScript documentation. I think that has a huge wealth of knowledge with not just JavaScript but web technologies in general, which provides a holistic view of JavaScript. And apart from that, you can also take up courses on Scrimba. So go to scrimba.com and you can check out their introduction to JavaScript. I think there's one JavaScript bootcamp as well. So I think that's very well laid out and very well designed in order to teach you the core fundamentals of JavaScript. I think that's a really good way to get started. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check out scrimba.com, and do let me know what you think. Alright, moving on. Number 2, we have Java, and I've seen a lot of memes about this. There's a lot of discussion on LinkedIn about this, but Java and JavaScript are 2 very different programming languages. So I'm talking about Java here, and Java and JavaScript are not the same. They are 2 very different programming languages. Java is a pure object-oriented programming language with which you can build a lot of softwares, and I know a lot of enterprises and a lot of enterprise software is built using Java, including some of the best companies like Spotify, right? I was looking at Spotify, their entire backend is written in Java. And not just Spotify, right? Almost all companies use Java for some or the other service internally. Even my company Airbase makes use of Java, Python and JavaScript to run Airbase. And the other thing about Java is it derives its syntax from C and C++, and I think if you learn Java, it really sets you up for success to learn any other programming languages, right? That's kind of true with any language, but Java specifically puts you in the best position. For example, if you know Java like I did, I learned Java back in college, which puts me in a very good place to learn any other programming language, right? Learning Java opens the door for you so that you can pick up any language with so much ease, right? And talking about Java, let me introduce you to the sponsor of this video, CodeGem. CodeGem has this amazing platform for you to learn Java, which I recently checked out, and I think it's really amazing how they have gamified the whole way of learning, right? They have made it fun and educational and entertaining at the same time. So I think it's definitely a good way to learn Java because they have an entire platform. It's completely online course. You can check it out on web. You can also use it on their mobile application. So it teaches you how to learn Java in a fun way. You will be working on projects and you will be building some small games and stuff like that. It's 80% just practice and coding Java. So I think it's a really good way to learn, and apart from that, there's a strong Java community that they have over there, which is I think very useful and very helpful to interact with peers who are also in the same boat as you, who are also learning the same things. So you can share your learnings together, you can talk about it, and you can discuss when you get stuck and stuff like that. So I think CodeGem is a really good platform, and this is how it looks. These are all the projects that you can build on CodeGem. Apart from that, I think they have a solid product, and another good thing about CodeGem is it's available in different languages, so you can really learn Java in English, Hindi, Chinese and other languages like that. So I think that's a wonderful thing, and you should definitely check out CodeGem. I will leave the link in the description for you to check out CodeGem, and you can also use the coupon code ABTube to get a 30% discount on your subscription for CodeGem. So definitely check out CodeGem and let me know what you guys think. Alright, moving on, the 3rd most important programming language that I think you should learn in 2021 is going to be Python, because again, it's so powerful and so versatile, the things you can do with Python. So definitely you can build backends for your applications using Django or Flask or something like that. But more importantly, so you can use Python to build amazing systems with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and you can do a lot of data analytics, statistics and stuff like that. So I think Python is really good for that. Python overall is a solid language for beginners to learn because it's so well structured and so easy to learn. It's the most uncomplicated language if that is even a word, but what I'm trying to say is it's so easy. It's basically reading English, and there's no complicated syntax or stuff like that. So I think in that way it's a really beginner friendly language, and I definitely think if you're a beginner you should get started with learning Python. Some of the best material for learning Python that you can find online is given by Google developers. So you can go to Google developers website and check out their Python courses. Apart from that, there's a course Python for Everybody on Coursera, and I think it's a solid course for learning the fundamentals of Python. And apart from that, there's also this book called Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs, SICP, which was originally written for a language called Scheme or Lisp, which is also the language that I did that book on. But now there's a Python version for it, so you can also do SICP with Python, which I recommend. I think it's a really wonderful way to learn programming, not just Python, but to learn programming in general. Doing SICP will make you a 10 times better programmer than you already are. So I would recommend every single person who is into programming to check out SICP and try to complete that book as far as possible, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment down below if you have any other questions for me. You can also connect with me on Instagram and leave me a DM. I'll try to help you out in whatever way I can as soon as I can. And with that said, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.